Hello students, welcome to the next video of numerical analysis. In this video, we will be solving problems on Adam predictor corrector methods. So the first problem is given dy by dx is equal to x square into 1 plus y with y of 1 is equal to 1 as our initial condition. We have to evaluate y at 1.4 using Adam predictor corrector fourth order method with the step size h is equal to 0.1 given. So that means we are supposed to find out both Adam's predictor and corrector fourth order method. Using Adam's predictor corrector fourth order method, we are supposed to find out y of 1.4. So they have given the step size. As they have given the step size, we are supposed to divide we know this is our x0 and this will be our xn. So we'll be dividing this according to the mesh size given. So we'll consider the solution. We'll go for solution. So we know Adam predictor fourth order method, which is yn plus 1 p represents predictor, is equal to yn plus h by 24 55 fn minus 59 fn minus 1 plus 37 fn minus 2 minus 9 fn minus 3. So this is our predictor formula. This is our formula. From this is our formula. From this we have taken out 24 common. 1 by 24 as common term. So if you take out 1 by 24, we will be left with this formula. So we will divide the given the given interval. So if we divide the interval 1, so step size is 0.1, so 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 and 1.4. So this is your x0, x1, x2, x3 and this is your x4. So you are supposed to find out y at this point. So to find y at 1.1, 1.2 and 1.3, we use Taylor series method here. Yenike ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. So we know dy by dx is equal to x square plus 1 by 1 plus y. So given dy by dx is equal to x square of 1 plus y. So from this we can write f of x comma y is equal to, this is your x square of 1 plus y. Since we need fn, if n is equal to 0 here, we will be getting y1 is equal to y0 plus h by 24 55 f0 baratte. So to find out f0, we need x square plus y0. We know only y0 is equal to 1. So if you take n is equal to 1 here, this becomes y2 is equal to y1 plus h by 24 55 f1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. f1 ಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ y1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನಮಗೆ y1 ಏನು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ y ಏನು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಫೈಂಡಿಂಗ್ y at 1.1, 1.2 and 1.3 by using Taylor series method. So from this we'll be finding what is the value of y. So we know Taylor series expansion. Taylor series expansion is y1 is equal to y0 plus x minus x0 y0 prime plus x minus x0 square by 2 factorial y0 double prime plus so on. So given y of 1 is equal to 1, so that implies x0 is equal to 1 and y0 is equal to 1. We know y prime, so y prime is equal to x square of 1 plus y. So if you want to find out y naught prime, then that implies x naught square is 1 square and this also 1 square. So answer is 1 plus 1 2, 2 into 1 is 2. So we got y naught prime as 2. We'll further differentiate this. So using product rule, this becomes 2x into 1 plus y plus, we'll retain x square as it is, y prime. So if you substitute the initial conditions, y naught double prime, we'll be getting y naught double prime as 2 into 1 2, 1 plus 1 2. So 2 plus 1, sorry, this is y dash is 2. So 2 2s are 2 1s are the answer is 6 here. Bekar onsala bardu budi. 2 into 1, 1 plus 1 plus x square is again 1 square, y prime is 2. So y double dash of the initial condition is, you will be getting that as 2 into 3, which is 6. So we got this. We will be substituting in the Taylor series formula or the expansion. So substituting Taylor series expansion, if you substitute, then we'll be getting y1 of x is equal to 1, because y naught, this y naught is 1, x minus x naught is also 1. So you will be getting x minus 1, y naught prime is 2 plus x minus 1 whole square by 2 factorial into 6. So now we will find out y at 1.1, 1.2 and 1.3. So y at 1.1 is equal to 1 plus 1.1 minus 1 into 2 plus 1.1 minus 1 square by 2 factorial into 6. So if you simplify this, we'll be getting y at 1.1 as 1.23. So next we'll find out y at 1.2, which is equal to 1 plus 1.2 minus 1 into 2 plus 1.2 minus 1 square by 2 factorial into 6. If you simplify, we'll be getting y at 1.2 as 1.52. Next we'll find out y at 1.3, which is equal to 1 plus 1.3 minus 1 into 2 plus 1.3 minus 1 square by 2 factorial into 6. If you simplify, y at 1.3 is equal to 1.87. So this is nothing but y1, this is y2 and this is y3. We need to find out y at 1.4, which is y4. So we'll write in a tabular form. So we'll represent this in a tabular form. So x, y, and this is f of x comma y, which is x square of 1 plus y. ಇದನ್ನ ಯಾಕೆ f ಅನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, in our formula we have fn. So f1 ಏನು, f2 ಏನು, f3 ಏನು ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. So for that we'll keep it ready. So at x is equal to x naught, which is 1, we have corresponding y naught is equal to 1. So we'll calculate what is that f of x comma y, which is we already know, which is 1 plus 1 2. So which is f naught is equal to 2, and at x is equal to 1, which is 1.1. So we got corresponding y1 as 1.23. So I'll calculate this. So just will substitute the values, calculate. The a value is 1.1 and y value is 1.23. So we got this as 2.6983. So we got f1 as 2.6983. 83, and now we have x2 at x is equal to 2, which is 1.2. The corresponding y2 is 1.52. So we'll calculate f at this point. So calculate. A is 1.2 and this is 1.52. So the answer is 3.6288. So we got f2 as 3.6288. Now we have at x is equal to 3, which is 1.3, and the corresponding value is 1.87. So y3 is equal to 1.87. So f3 is equal to, we'll calculate, this is 1.3 and 1.87. So we got this as 4.8503. In we are supposed to find out at x is equal to 4 using predictor methods. So we'll start calculating. So in this formula, predictor formula, if we put n is equal to 3, we'll be getting y4. So yn plus 1 of predictor is equal to yn plus h by 24 of 55 fn minus 59 fn minus 1 plus 37 fn minus 2 plus 9 fn minus 3. So just substitute it. Sorry, put n is equal to 3. If you put n is equal to 3, we'll be getting y4 of predictor is equal to y3 plus h by 24. We know h is 0.1. We'll substitute it. So this is 55 f3 minus 59 f2 plus 37 f1 minus 9 f0. So y4 of p is equal to, we know y3, we'll just use this table. y3 is 1.87, so substitute it, 1.87. h we know, which is 0.1 by 24. 55 f3 is 4.8503 minus 59 into f2 is 3.6288 plus 37 into f1, which is 2.6983 minus 9 into 2. So we'll simplify this. If you simplify, y4 of predictor is 2.4304. So we'll fill that here. At x is equal to 4, that it is 1.4. We got y4 of the predictor value, which is 2.4304, and the corresponding f value, we need to calculate f value. So 1.4, 2.4304, we'll be getting that as f4 of predictor, which is equal to 6.723584. So now we will go for corrector. ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ನಮಗೆ ಇಟರೇಟಿವ್ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಇಟರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಮಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಜ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನು. ಸೊ ದ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ predictor corrector value is given by yn plus 1 of c, that is corrector, is equal to yn plus h by 24 9 fn plus 1 will be using this from our predictor value. N plus 1 ide, illu n plus 1 ide. If n is equal to 3, we will be getting f4. f4 illi enu anta gottiralla, so adike en martivi, we will be using this from our predictor value. Plus 19 fn minus 5 fn minus 1 plus fn minus 2. So as usual, we'll put n is equal to 3. If n is equal to 3, we'll be getting y4 of character value is equal to y3 plus h by 24 9 f4 of the predictor value plus 19 f3 minus 5 f2 plus f1. We'll substitute all the values. We know y3 is 1.87 plus h is 0.1 by 24 and 9 into f4 of predictor is into 6.723584 plus 19 into f3 is 4.8503 minus 5 into f2, which is 3.6288 plus f1, which is 2.6983. So if you simplify this, then we'll be getting y4 of the character value, which is 2.441756. Now we'll fill this here. So x4 at 1.4, y4 of the character value is 2.441756. So f4, we get it as, so calculate 1.4 and 2.441756. If we simplify this, we'll be getting 6.74584. Okay, so idu nan iteration anta helidini, nanage converge agbeku, allivargu ಮಾಡೋಣ ಇದನ್ನ. So again we have y4 of the character value is equal to y3 plus h by 24 9 fn plus 1. Ivaga namge previous term is the character value, not the preceding value, not the predictor value. We have the character value plus 19, this is f4, f4 f3 minus 5 f2 plus f1. So y3 we know, which is 1.87 plus 0.1 by 24, 9 into f4 of character value is, we have that as 6.74584 plus 19 into f3, which is 4.8503 minus 5 of f2. 5 into f2 is 3.6288 plus f1, which is 2.6983. So if you simplify this, then we'll be getting y4 of the character value as 2.44259. So we'll write here. So x4 is at 1.4. We got y4 of the character value as 2.44259 and the corresponding f4 of the character value we'll get it as 6.7474. We'll be getting this. We'll check once. 1.4, 2.44259. So 74747. Now we'll be calculating. Innu converge agilla nanige, so innondu value find out ಮಾಡೋಣ. So ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬಂದಿದೆ 2.441756 ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ 2.4425 ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. So again we have y4 of c is equal to y3 plus h by 24 9 f4 of c, the previous value, plus 19 f3 minus 5 f2 plus f1. So if you calculate this, 1.87 plus 0.1 by 24, 9 into the previous value is 6.74747 plus 19 into f3 is 4.8503 minus 5 into 3.6288 plus 2.6983. So if you simplify this, we'll be getting y4 of c as 2.44256. So observe madi, almost converge agide. So en mana, we'll stop here. So therefore y at 1.4 is equal to 2.44256. So this is the value of y at x is equal to 1.4. So we'll go to the next problem in our next video. Thank you, students.